Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this FarmTogether review, I'll share my first-hand experience with the platform, which simplifies farmland investing. If you're intrigued, you'll find helpful links to FarmTogether in the description below. So, let's get started. FarmTogether is an online investment platform tailored for accredited investors looking to incorporate farmland into their portfolios. Historically, farmland has proven to be a stable asset class, generating income from crop sales and appreciating in value over time. FarmTogether's primary attraction lies in its accessibility, opening up this asset class to investors who might lack the substantial capital or specialized knowledge required for direct farmland acquisition and management. The platform facilitates fractional ownership, enabling you to invest in portions of farmland with minimum investment starting around $155,000. This fractional ownership model significantly lowers the barrier to entry compared to traditional farmland investment methods. My personal experience with FarmTogether has been remarkably smooth and transparent. The platform showcases a diverse selection of investment deals, each accompanied by comprehensive information detailing the property specifics, projected returns, crop types cultivated, and potential risk factors. One aspect I particularly valued was the rigorous due diligence conducted by FarmTogether before listing any property. They perform a comprehensive assessment encompassing land analysis, soil quality evaluation, water access verification, and an examination of local market conditions. This thorough approach empowers investors to make informed decisions with a clear understanding of the investment landscape. Furthermore, FarmTogether furnishes financial projections and target internal rates of return (IRRs), providing investors with a transparent view of potential profitability. The platform itself is user-friendly, enabling effortless browsing of available properties, access to investment briefs, and convenient tracking of portfolio performance. FarmTogether also handles all facets of the investment process, including leasing arrangements, insurance coverage, and ongoing property management. This comprehensive management approach creates a truly hands-off experience for investors. This is especially beneficial for those desiring exposure to farmland without the complexities and demands of traditional property management. It's crucial to recognize that farmland investing requires a long-term perspective. These assets are not highly liquid, meaning you may need to hold your investment for 5 to 10 years, or even longer, before realizing substantial returns. However, FarmTogether's established track record and commitment to transparency make it a compelling option for investors seeking diversification into a historically stable asset class. In conclusion, if you're considering investing in farmland without the associated hassles, FarmTogether is a robust platform worth exploring. For more detailed information or to begin exploring farmland investment opportunities, be sure to check the links provided in the description below.